others' property, others' profession and others' ideas. But we rarely hear about respecting others' privacy. Yes, every individual values his privacy. When we respect a person, we naturally limit our involvement in their lives. People who are fugitive with unsettled minds and feel insecure about themselves only look out for a way to find fault in others' lives. When they think that others are more successful and well off than them, they wish to know every bit of what's going on in others' lives, starting from their eating habits to their gross monthly income. It's almost equated with stealing from someone or trespassing others' territory. Unsatisfied with their own lives, they tend to poke their nose in others' lives and try to derive pleasure out of it, without knowing that they are straining the relationship. Better to stay away from these type of people who invade your privacy, as they are not going to guide you or guard you, and they are not going to help you or support you in the ups and downs of life. So never invite others to occupy your personal space. Thank you.